Hello guys, good day. Okay, so in this video we are going to discuss how to make your objects sit on the floor properly. Though there's a plugin that will actually help you to make your object to sit on the floor properly, but if you know the plugin on your Cinema4D, so what you can just do, for instance, now maybe probably I throw a cube on my scene, right? So if you look at this cube now, if you come to object, we have 200 centimeter. So automatically I will use half of this cube. You can see that this cube is actually in the middle of the the grid, but I don't want that. I don't want that one. So for instance, now you can see that if I drop a plain object here. Now you can see what happened. You can see that the cube is not sitting well, so it's already into the plane. So just come to your cube. So I'll come to my coordinate here, then under my y-axis, so I'll just change it to 100 centimeter. Now you can see that automatically it's actually sit perfect on this grid now. Can you see? Right. So the same thing is also applicable to some other objects here. For instance, now if you throw a cylinder here, you can see that it's actually go directly into the plane, right? So you come to your object. I think we have the height is 200 centimeters. So what we can just do is do the same thing by entering 100 centimeter on your y-axis. Now you can see that it's actually sit writing. So, but if you click sphere on this sphere object, now you can see that the sphere is a bit different, right? You can see that the radius is 100 centimeter, but if you put 50 centimeter here, it will not work, right? So we put 50 centimeter. Now you can see that it didn't work. Reason is because it's a perfect circle, right? But if you change it back to 100%, now you can see that it will not sit directly on the plane itself. So this is very handy, even though if you are doing modeling too, so it's also come very handy too. So I think we also need to know how to calculate do some calculation when we are doing some 3D design, right? So the same also goes for instance, now if you throw maybe tools, now you can see, but now we have 100 centimeters, so that we have to use what 50 centimeter. So now you can see that it's actually sitting right on the plane. So but there is a plugin that can actually also help you with that, which come very handy. So I will leave the link to the website on the description box, right? So what you will do here is just come to your Google, right? Go to this website, Alpha Pixel. Go to this website. So this is how the website is, right? You can actually get some free plugins here that also help you. Now you can see we have this drop to floor, right? So there's a new update. So you can just do a view freebie. So you can just take me to freebie. So what you can do here is you can't just download anything anyhow on this website. So what you do is you have to sign up. Just come back to home. When you come back to your home, just do what? Sign up. There's a section that will bring sign up. Okay, so this is it. This one here. So unlock the freebie. If you have already signed up on this website, so we can just log in. But if you don't have a if you have not signed up. So just click sign up here. So once you click sign, you can see that it's actually password protected, right? So you have to do what? You have to send the mail. There is something that they will send the password for you to be able to do what? Access this website. So I think that's all for this. So now if you come back to our Cinema4D here, for instance, now if I click all these, or for instance on these tools, now if I just put the tools, like you can see that I've already pushed the tools down, right? And I have already docked my plugins here. If you remember the discussion on the layout design, so we've already docked the those icons we use often here. So just click. Can you see that? And it's come very handy. For instance, I make it editable too by pressing C on your keyboard, right? And maybe probably mistaken. So what you can just do, just click, and before you know, it's actually come very handy. So you can actually check out the website. So thank you guys for watching. Bye.